Oh my God. You got stuck?
Yeah.
What happened?
I didn't see that big hump right there.
Oh, is that you right there? Yeah, that's you. God damn. What are you gonna do?
Put the rocks out down.
Okay, that's a good plan.
Hopefully I can get pushed.
I managed to dig out my car here. So it's not, it was a lot worse 20 minutes ago. But man, this is awful. This is awful.
Is it pretty though?
It is pretty. It is pretty. I've never seen anything like this in my
My life.
30 years. I've never seen anything like this. Whew. Unbelievable. My hair's all messed up. That's embarrassing. Look at this. Look at this. Unfrickin' believable. Unfrickin' believable. Unfrickin' believable. How you doing? Good, good. Oh boy. No puedo salir. No puedo. Muchas fría. No good. Whew. No good. Oh, look at this. Look at this mountain. This mountain. Unbelievable. Look at this. This is unbelievable. I can't see a damn thing. You know, I was gonna go around. I was gonna go around and just like record the whole neighborhood and just like how unbelievable this is. But I don't think I can even stay out here. It's way too cold. Blizzard is out of control. Can't even hardly see where I'm going. Look at the side of this building right here. Look at this. Look at this. I have in my 23 years on Earth, in my 29 years on Earth, I have never seen anything like this. Never anything like this. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. This is just crazy. So I was talking to other folks earlier, and they were telling me that the last time it was this bad was 1978. The blizzard of 1978 was the last time. It was the last time that it was this bad. It was the blizzard of 1978. That is, what, almost 50 years ago. What is that? My God, I have gray hair now. Look at this, I have gray hair. Yeah, that was almost 50 years ago. It was like, what was that, 48 years ago. The blizzard of 1978 was the last time that it was this bad. It is about 15 degrees out at best. The wind chill is probably below zero. The visibility, very low. This is not even survivable. This is not even survivable weather. Like, if we didn't have any defense against the elements, this would not be survivable. This would be an extinction level event. No joke. So I was gonna go and look around, and I was gonna look around, get some footage of the neighborhood, but it's too much. This is too much. I can't deal with this. Can't even hardly see where I'm going.